Hey everyone, Mark here again, Hyundai here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. This is a 2019 Hyundai Kona Essential all-wheel drive. Man, oh man, I'm always excited when I have a chance to buy some Konas for the lot. They're very rare, very hard to come by. We sell a ton of them new, so I'm always happy to get some pre-owned ones, satisfy everybody's demand. So again, we're so happy to have this one. So again, this is the Essential package and all-wheel drive package. Tons of standard features, which we'll get to in a second. Just like to do a quick walk around the outside, show you basically the body of the vehicle. In case you're couch shopping or you're from out of town, you get a really good look at what this vehicle looks like prior to coming and seeing us or asking for more information. So again, you get a ton of standard features, including some nice alloy wheels, got some meaty tires there, big beefy fog lights, nice Hyundai front grille. Everything's in really nice shape. You got turn signal indicators on the rear view mirrors. So Kona has taken the world by storm since 2018. We can't keep them, we love them. Show you some more of the interior features. So here's the trunk. This just came out of the detail shop. Nice good sized trunk for this size of vehicle. We like to keep the mats back there so they stay nice and clean. Seats are 60/40 folding. You got anchors on all three seats, which is nice. Up to three forms of baby seats or anything you need to put in the back. This one can handle it. Got a really cool interior feature, some interior stitching. Everything's in really nice shape. You got power windows. Let's take a look at the inside here. So again, this is the Essential package. You get power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You get adjustable, manually adjustable driver's seat. You can shut your traction control off if you need to. You can adjust your interior illumination. Let's have a look at some of the interior features here. Just going to go ahead and turn it on. This one just arrived. So you got your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free calling, you got your trip control, cruise controls, all here. So again, just because it's one of our entry packages definitely does not mean it is a base package. You got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. You got downhill brake assist control. You can lock your 4-wheel drive if you needed to for one of those really cold, snowy days. You have drive mode as well, so you can drive in eco or sport mode or normal mode. So again, all has to do with fuel efficiency, and that's what the Hyundai Kona is all about. You've got all your auxiliaries and your inputs down there. You've got a nice temperature control here with air conditioning, obviously, and then you've got a nice big, basically radio screen, which is really easy to use. Let's put it back to the mode. So on top of it, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility. So again, on our base model now, this one is Essential and all-wheel drive, but you can get Essential front wheel as well. On our base model, you can hook up your phone, have navigation right on it. It's truly a great feature. And of course, you got a nice big backup camera, which is always a great safety feature. So again, this one only has 35,000 kilometers, guys. So tons of factory warranty left. You know, Hyundais have warranty up to 100,000 or 5 years, whichever comes first. So again, you're looking right now at a gorgeous 2019 Hyundai Kona Essential all-wheel drive. Factory warranty, tons of standard features. You guys don't miss out. Shop 24/7 at CWayHyundai.com.